I think we've made an idol of skin color. Not just white people, not just black people, all of us. But let me talk about us. Some of us want to be praised just for being black. Black and proud. Okay, but proud of what exactly? Your melanin? You didn't work for it. You didn't earn it. You were born with it. Why do we get emotional when someone doesn't clap for our skin tone? And here's the dangerous part. If someone praises us, black excellence, black power, my black brothers, we melt. We give them our loyalty, our vote, our support, even when they're empty. But the person who tells us the uncomfortable truth, we call them a sellout, a self-hater, an enemy. Why? Because truth doesn't massage our ego. Skin color is not an achievement. Character is. Contribution is. Discipline is. What have you built? Who have you helped? What value have you added to humanity? That's what matters, not your shade of skin color. It's okay to be proud, but be proud of something you have done. Be proud of your integrity, your work ethic, your ideas, your impact. Melanin is biology. Purpose is choice. And the day we stop worshiping identity and start worshiping excellence, that's the day we become harder to manipulate.